One last insight lang, Mr. President.
Yes,
and
Mr. President.
when we finish the budget, di ba, they might want to consider putting a little bit of money, or we might want to consider for that study. I don't know if it's a secret, or I think among the people naman sa entertainment alam nito, that one of the secrets of ABS-CBN in their teledramas, novelas, is that they had an ongoing deep research of communities na alam talaga nila yung, so for example, kung sabihin mo yung bote ng beer, iba ang yabang ng nasa DNE na ilang case yan, at iba yung nasa ANB na ganito, di ba, travel and everything. So ako, I wouldn't mind really MTRCB having a research arm, because it's really difficult. I mean, hindi naman pwede kung sino chairman, values niya. Di ba? So hindi man pwedeng pagka very liberal yung chairman, bahala na kayo lahat ng gusto nyo. Pag very conservative, eto. So, but we do have to have a standard, and siguro the first standard is the Philippine Constitution, who makes mention of the Lord Almighty sa preamble pa lang, di ba? But another would be probably research, di ba? Na as you get the data from the communities, it might even help the filmmakers. Baka yung ibang filmmakers, ang tingin nila, ang gusto lang tao, violence at saka sex. Pero pag nakita nila, they're lonely for those, like ako pagka-Christmas, gustong-gusto ko yung mga movies ng mga small town na white Christmas sa US na may romantic twist and everything, and then it's all about family and about pagkakagalit na nagkakabati-bati, di ba? But you don't really know kasi trial and error din yung sa film. So I really wouldn't mind, Your Honor, Mr. Chairman, if they had a good amount, no, a few millions for a research project or a continuing research project to keep themselves updated, para hindi rin tayo nanghuhula, para alam din nila na sa Mindanao, more ganito yung kanilang sentiment, at importante sa Mindanao, let's say peace. Kasi tayo dito, we take peace for granted, di ba? In Metro Manila, it's more of peace and order, yung mga criminal, but like in Mindanao, with their history, Visayas naman, isla-isla, no? So, I mean, a 10, 15 million or 1 million budget a month for continuing research, I think will go a long way in guiding the MTRCB. Thank you very much.